CapCut's template not showing. Hello guys, in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. First thing you wanna do, open the settings and then go to the wireless and networks and then go to the airplane mode, enable it and wait a few seconds and then disable it again. Now all what you wanna do next is go to the Play Store and search for TikTok like this and click on this update option to update it into the latest version. After that, go back, search for CapCut and download it if you don't have it in your phone. So you must be having this app. After this, now you have just to restart your phone and then reopen TikTok and the problem must be solved. If the problem is not solved yet, then you must delete TikTok from your phone and reinstall it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.